go. Okay, welcome everyone, and to your morning warm up. And today we're going to use straws and a tall glass of water or a water bottle, and just fill it to about a third full. And so you can pause the video now if you want, and run and grab those things, and then unpause when you're ready to go. And all the participants are ready to go that are here this morning. So, yeah, let's start with a little bit of stretching and breathing. So, put your hand right here and reach up and kind of tilt to one side and breathe into that hand. Good. Reach up with the other hand, breathe in. Good. And twist behind you and breathe in. Good. And twist. Nice deep breath in. Good. And I just want you to kind of check in with your larynx this morning. Feeling it nice and mid. It's not lifting, it's not relaxing, and just breathe in. Nice and quietly, and feel it relax to mid and open. Good. So, straws can really do two things for you. They can teach you to sing, and they can also heal your voice after you've been sick or you've been out on a night on the town or something like that. So, the first exercise we're going to do, well, actually, we'll just do some light, and what you want to do, and I have a metal straw, but you can put your hand over the end of your straw like this, and don't squeeze, but we're just trying to create back pressure back onto our vocal folds. And make the sound really, really easy. Don't try to blow a whole bunch of air. Right? But it's just like you're humming, but sending air through the straw. And so you want to feel like there's air in your hand. Another way you can do it is plug the end of the straw. And let's do some more sirens. And you notice that I'm head and neck anchoring or providing support by lifting my ears, spreading my nose. But also I'm adding a little bit of twang. I'm not trying to do this Patrick-y. Let's all try it with Patrick. It's really hard. Now let's try it with a little bit of Wicked Witch. Good. So, grab your glass of water and put your straw in. And we're going to start with, we'll just go. Ready? And you want to create bubbles the whole time. Ready? Good. And this resistance you'll feel is really opening up your throat. I lost my bubbles for a moment there. And I'm feeling like my body is supporting what I'm doing. So I'm feeling a little bit of engagement down here, and my chest is opening up. Ready? Good. And one more. And now let's do a siren just for fun. Good. So now just go. And your voice should feel Nice and easy. So one of the first things you should do every morning is putting a straw in water and I should say I have a metal straw. I have some straws I bought in IKEA from 5 years ago that I'm still trying to use up. But you can use a metal straw. There's paper straws out there now, and also silicone ones, I think. And what's great about plastic ones or silicone ones is you can just squeeze them, just like a little bit, to create more resistance. Good. So the next exercise we're going to do is going from yeah. So you're going up, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5, you're opening your mouth. Yeah, let's try that. And what you're trying to do is trying to feel like there's not a major difference between the two things, so that you feel nice and effortless and easy in your throat. Ready? Good. And you're going to feel, especially guys, we're getting up to our major first break. Let it flip into falsetto, and ladies, let it flip into head voice. Don't be working hard, yeah? Right. Making it nice and easy. Good. One more. So there I hit my next break, which is the F, and yeah, so things really start to flip into falsetto there. Good. So those are straws, and straws are a part of a larger class of exercises called semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. Yes, so semi-occluded just means that your mouth is slightly closed. So NGs. So let's do, actually, we'll start with, we'll do a few of those, because lip trills are a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, which is really great for finding support. Nice and tall. Some more. This warm up is all about semi-occluded vocal tract exercises today. So zzz, zzz, and now let's switch to NG. Put your fingers right under your cheekbones, and we'll start the next one. And one more. let's do some. And this time, let's go. And try not to make a big difference between the hum and the ah. Ready? Low G, that's nice. Okay, so let's do another one. Grr, grr. And now let's go E. And try not to feel too much difference. Grr, Good. And now we'll not do a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. We're going to do the opposite. Just a few of those. And they feel so much easier this morning. Good. Nice. And one more. Good. And now we'll end with maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. Feeling that all really right there, yum 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 yum, and it's almost a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise. Ready? Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. Maybe my mommy may move to Miami and maybe my mommy may not. Good. So there you go. There's your semi-occluded vocal tract warm up with straws that show you how to sing and heal your voice. This Saturday there's a workshop, a free workshop given by one of my friends. She's a workout specialist, and she's created a routine, like a physical warm-up routine with rolling on foam rollers and balls and stuff like that. So check that out. There's an Eventbrite for it, and there should be a link in the group somewhere. Okay, thanks guys.